So if you're having a hard time getting your flashbang to sit right, if it wants to kick out, this is the tutorial for you. Check it out and see what works to get your flashbang perfect. Hey, so you got your flashbang. That's awesome news. The next thing I want you to do is take the strap off, because who needs a strap, right? No, I'm kidding. Take the strap off because it'll help you figure out exactly where your flashbang needs to be positioned and how to put the strap on so that it's a custom fit for you. So remember that this is a safety snap. So to open it, you peel it down like a banana from the tab end, like this. Take your strap off with a screwdriver and meet you in a minute. Okay, after you have unloaded and cleared your firearm, I want you to pop it into the flashbang. There's where the strap was, right? So take the butt of the gun and pop it right up in like that. Now, I want you to know that the strap is not what holds the flashbang in place. It's the grip of your bra band against the holster. So this is gonna be your test right here. Take that gun and pop it just underneath your bra band, like that. And see where it stays. If it's too low, it's gonna be coming out the bottom. If it's too high, it's gonna be coming out the top. So just find out where it feels good right there. And I want you to know, I can move around, I can jump, I can bend, I can do all kinds of stuff. And my gun stays in place because my bra band is squeezing it in place. So if you're having trouble right here, you probably need to check the fit of your bra. If the gun wants to fall out, you either need to position it higher and you can do the little shimmy and push it up in there, or maybe your bra band is too loose and it's time to tighten it up or get a new bra. They lose their elasticity over time. So maybe time for a new bra. But if you can get it to stay put and see where it fits and what feels good, then you know where to start building your strap configuration from. Okay, so now that I have my flashbang positioned where it feels comfortable to me, we need to figure out where the strap needs to be positioned. So I've got my flashbang tucked without a strap, and it sits right here. The snap, the little bump out for the snap is right there. So I need to fit around this width of a bra band, and it looks like I don't really want my strap in high carry or in low carry. I want it in custom carry so that it makes a full circle around my bra band rather than a U around the bottom or a TP, an A, I don't know, over the top. So let's talk about custom carry next. So there's 3 straps that come with every flashbang. There's a short, it's got 2 holes, a medium, it's got 3 holes, and a long, and it has 7 holes. We also offer an extra long, but if you're not wearing a sports bra, it's not something you'll typically need. So let's look at which one of these fits my bra best today. All right, so that is my bra band right there. And obviously if I went with the long strap, I have a whole lot of extra strap there. And I could make that work in a pinch if I needed to, but I don't need to. So I think my best bet for today is actually going to be the medium. Let's try that here. Come here, medium strap. Alright, so it fits just perfectly around the gore of my bra. So we know the medium strap fits best around my bra band, that size, and we need to know about high carry, low carry, and custom carry. So whenever you're carrying in high carry, the strap actually fastens to the flashbang turned down so that it raises the whole holster and gun up higher into your bra band. Low carry, it's the exact same thing, but the opposite. The strap goes up, it brings the holster down, and more of the holster sits below your bra band down here. But with custom carry, we actually turn this around, and instead of making it be a loop, we make it be a full circle. So the strap actually bends the opposite direction and fastens in a circle like that. And I'll show you what that looks like on a flashbang in just a second. Okay, so I've got my strap set up here in the custom carry position. You can see the snap right there is facing forward, but the cup down here is actually facing backward, like that. So when you close it, instead of just closing it in a little loop like this, I'm actually gonna close it in a full circle. So it goes like this right here, and you hook it from the tooth and roll it down. So now you have a full circle around there like this. And the benefit to that is that instead of just sitting either because it's a U below, like below your bra, the holster sits higher, or going up over the top and it sits lower, you have the ability to move it through all these different positions along your bra band. So that's gonna do something like this when you put it on. You unsnap still from the tab end. So it sits under my bra right about there. And I'm gonna go ahead and close the snap, wrap it around, and roll it shut. And sometimes my snap actually wants to sit a little bit over here or in the middle, so I kind of just play with it and see what feels nice. If I can get it right there, it'll catch on my underwear sometimes and just helps hold everything in place a little better. So there it is in the custom carry position with the correct length strap for my bra, medium. And basically it's a Flashbang Holster custom setup for you. That is my video on how to set up your holster to custom fit you, including the custom carry strap option. Thanks.